ready.
Hey, idiot. I said idiot and you looked.
This is my grinding jig I already mentioned. And yeah, as I already said, and as you can already see, it's a very cheap China product. I think it was maybe around 20 or 30 euros only. And it's crafted exactly like this. As you already can see, this thing, it's mostly plastic. As I said, only cheap China jig. Let me say it like this: the idea behind this whole fingly doodle, it's good. It's a very handy little helper. But yeah, overall it's nothing else than poorly made. It annoyed me all the time that it's just a chunk of plastic. So yeah, but because, as I said, it's a really handy dandy little helpy thingy doodly, I don't want to miss this thing in my workshop here. So this jig, just a little demonstration, comes with this arm. Place this arm in here. As I said, with this arm here you can adjust the angle, and then you mount your grinding stones just like that. Then knife onto here. So the stones, they are also, can you still see it? There we are. As you can see, they are also Chinesey. So yeah, the stones that came with this jig, they are crap. Absolutely crap. They were worn out so quickly. Here I have a good example. And yeah, therefore I bought me some other stones. Also China product, yeah, also crap, yeah, but at least they were a lot better than those stones that came right ahead with this jig. So yeah, so basically all I have to do is to replace, yeah, let me call it the table. Because the arm is okay, this arm, they are fine, they are okay. This little joint here, yeah, it's also just plastic, but it works, it's okay. So therefore I am only rebuilding this table out of metal, something sturdy, and yeah, that basically should be it. So now, let's do this shit. Is this like how it should be? only a few tightenings of those clamps later, and oh, there we are. Already cracking. Steiner! You marvelous welder, you. For sure.
One eternity later.
So there you have it, my little rebuild base for this grinding jig, or better sharpening jig. Yeah, as you can see, it is meant to mount some of these stones. These, yeah, for sure, cheap China stones. Yeah. They are okay, but not the best in the world. But I could also mount a file onto the back and use it as a file jig. No problem at all. I'm more than pleased with this. I mean, for sure, as you can see it, this thing is just a little bit overkill. Yeah, okay, got it, accepted, confirmed. But why not? I wanted something really sturdy, and I think this is sturdy as hell. Now this was exactly the issue I had with the original jig. Plastic. It's wibbly wobbly, just simply bullshit if you want to create something consistent, and especially with bevels. It was a pain in the ass. As I already said, the thought behind this jig, it's okay, it's good, but plastic. Because of that, I didn't give a shit about weight or anything else at all. Especially the brassing of the surface of this jig. It turned out so goddamn astonishingly good that I'm already a little bit pissed about myself that I haven't tried brassing anything earlier. This is just... It is real anti-hate. I already have used this plastic piece of baloney.
That's a bunch of baloney!
I already used this jig a lot, and so I think this little handy dandy motherfucker will get into use a lot. So, final conclusion. This is a hell of a piece of metal, for sure. Totally overkill, absolutely. But to say it like Alex Steele would say it, don't call it stupid if it works. All in all, I think I have to say I'm very proud of this. I don't know how to call you, but I think we will get friends. Very close friends.